Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Fred Levi. I wanted to bring a video to you guys today, and what I wanted to talk about was applying for credit when you have bad credit. So what is bad credit, and what do I mean by this? So I'm going to talk about a few things. We might go round and round in circles, but I want you guys to try to understand the importance of trying to fix the negative information on your reports, how to look for that information, where to find it, and how to move forward. So again, my name is Fred Levi. I'm the VP of Sales here to prove my score. And like I said, the topic of this video is to help you guys understand credit and a section of credit and what a credit score is. So the first thing that you guys should know is, before you apply for credit, you want to know if you'll have a good chance of being approved for the credit. So a quick and easy way, you can pull up Credit Karma, see what your scores are on Credit Karma. Now, I know I'm gonna get a lot of bashing for talking about Credit Karma, as this isn't a FICO score, it's a FACO score or a fake score. But the reason why I say to look at it this way is because you can gauge kind of where you're at. You can kind of see where your numbers are. So if you're in the 300s, 400s, 500s, don't apply for anything. You're going to hurt your chances of getting approved in the future. Okay? I see so many people come through and use our services. There's a lot of people that come to use our services, and when I'm looking and reviewing their credit reports, there's a ton of inquiries. Their scores are in the 400s and 500s, and they're not going to get approved, but they continually go out and apply for credit at the stores when they're going to buy clothes. You know, they might be at Macy's or JCPenney's or Sears or something like that. And when you go into these kinds of stores, the associates there that are ringing you up, they're trained to try to sell you on applying for a credit card. You know, save 10% if you apply for credit and if you get approved. But that's really not going to help you. You know, if you're saving 10%, you have $100 stuff that you're buying that costs $100, you're going to save $10. I mean, yeah, it's cool, you're going to save some money. But most of these places already have coupons that you could use most days of the week anyway. So, you know, I always talk to my clients, and I let them know, you know, when you guys join my services, please, please, please don't apply for credit until we get you through what we need to do. Let us finish our process, which is on average 4 to 6 months, sometimes sooner, sometimes it might be a little bit longer, just depending upon a ton of different factors. And one of the main factors are the creditors and the bureaus, are they abiding by the law? Are they doing what they're supposed to do? In most cases they're not, but that will be for another video. But the reason why I say this is because a lot of people, they want to get a car, they want to get credit cards, they want to do all this stuff, but they're always applying for credit, and they're not going to get approved. And when you come to a company like mine, or any of the numerous companies out there that do credit repair, it's really hard to get those inquiries removed. When you're over there trying to apply for credit and you have 35 inquiries, yeah, it only counts for the past year, but it stays on your report for 2 years. So, you know, it's hard for us to get those things knocked off. Can it happen? And does it happen? Absolutely yes. Are they required to remove it if you applied for credit? No, they're not. If it's verifiable, if it's accurate, then yes, it's 100% legal to have it on there. The only way we can get them taken off is if we can get them to drop it based on accuracy issues or being past the statutes, or if they're not able to verify it. And we're able to get a lot of them deleted, but it's not a guarantee. Credit repair is not a guarantee. So just wanted to bring this quick video to you guys to let you know that if you guys have bad credit, please check your guys' credit to see where you stand. If you're in the 400s and 500s, 300, anything under 600, I'd say anything under 650, I would wait to apply for anything. Even though Credit Karma has recommendations for you, I would still wait. At least try to get it above 700 on your Credit Karma scores before you start applying for anything. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys for taking the time to listen to me ramble for a few minutes. Sitting here in traffic, and thought I'd just drop a quick video to go ahead and show you guys some things that might help you in the future. So with that being said, thank you guys and have a good day.